how to split screen and multitask on Android and iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use split screen and multitasking features on both Android and iPhone. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, on Android, open the first app you want to use. Now tap the Recent Apps button. That's the square or swipe up gesture depending on your phone. Find the app you opened and tap its icon at the top of the preview window. Select Split Screen or Open in Split Screen View. Now choose your second app from the list of recent apps or app drawer. Both apps will now appear on the screen, and you can drag the divider bar to resize them. To exit split screen, drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom. Now, iPhones do not support split screen, but here's what you can do. Swipe left or right on the home bar at the bottom to quickly switch between recent apps. You can also use picture-in-picture mode for videos or FaceTime. Just swipe up during a video call or while watching a video. It'll shrink to a floating window you can move around while using other apps. And that's how you multitask using split screen on Android and smart switching on iPhone. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for the video.